In today's digital age, the traditional 9-to-5 job is no longer the only avenue for earning a steady income. With advancements in technology and changing work dynamics, more and more people are turning to side hustles that allow them to make money from the comfort of their own homes. Whether you're a full-time professional looking to supplement your income or a stay-at-home parent wanting to contribute financially while managing household responsibilities, the possibilities are endless. The concept of making money from home as a side hustle has gained immense popularity in recent years, and for good reason. The advantages it offers are hard to ignore. Imagine having complete control over your schedule, being able to choose which projects you take on, and enjoying the flexibility that traditional office jobs often lack. No more commuting through traffic-clogged streets or adhering strictly to rigid work hours. Instead, you can design your day according to your own preferences. But what exactly does it mean to have a side hustle? In simple terms, it refers to any pursuit that generates additional income alongside your primary source of earnings. It provides an opportunity for financial growth without requiring significant investment or specialized skills. The beauty lies in its accessibility. Almost anyone with determination and motivation can embark on this journey towards financial independence from home. Get ready for valuable insights and practical advice that will empower you with viable options for generating extra cash on your terms. So grab a cup of coffee or tea and let's discover how you can turn spare time into substantial income opportunities. Online freelancing, tap into your skills and offer services on popular platforms. Are you looking for a flexible way to make money from home? Online freelancing could be the perfect solution. With platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com, you can leverage your unique skills and offer services in areas such as writing, graphic design, virtual assistants, and more. To get started with online freelancing, it's important to create an attractive profile portfolio that showcases your expertise. Take the time to write a compelling bio that highlights your skills and experience. Include samples of your work or links to your previous projects that demonstrate your abilities. Showcasing positive client feedback can also help build trust with potential clients. Securing clients on these platforms requires some effort on your part. Firstly, identify relevant keywords related to the services you provide so that potential clients can easily find you when searching for specific terms. Secondly, actively bid on projects by crafting personalized proposals tailored to each client's needs. Make sure to highlight why you are the best fit for their project and how you can add value. It's essential not just to focus solely on bidding, but also take advantage of any networking opportunities within these platforms. Participate in community forums or discussion groups where clients often seek recommendations or advice before hiring freelancers. Remember that building a successful freelance career takes time and persistence. Don't expect instant results overnight. As you gain more experience and positive reviews from satisfied clients, word-of-mouth recommendations will become invaluable in helping secure new projects. So why wait? Start exploring the world of online freelancing today by creating an impressive profile portfolio and actively pursuing opportunities through popular freelancer platforms. Selling products online, turning your crafts into cash. With the rise of e-commerce platforms like Etsy and Amazon Marketplace, selling handcrafted goods or other products online has become an accessible way to turn your creative endeavors into a profitable side hustle. These platforms provide individuals with the opportunity to reach a wide audience and showcase their unique creations from the comfort of their own home. When it comes to sourcing materials for your crafts, consider exploring local thrift stores or discount shops for affordable supplies. Not only can you find hidden gems at a fraction of the cost, but repurposing items also adds a touch of uniqueness to your creations. Additionally, attending craft fairs or joining online communities dedicated to crafting can help you connect with other makers who may have surplus materials they're willing to sell at lower rates. To optimize your product listings and attract potential buyers on these e-commerce sites, be sure to invest time in creating high-quality photos that truly showcase the beauty and details of your creations. Utilize natural lighting whenever possible and experiment with different angles and backgrounds that enhance the overall aesthetic appeal. Craft compelling product descriptions that highlight key features while telling a story about why your item is special. This personal touch helps create an emotional connection between buyer and seller. By harnessing the power of e-commerce platforms like Etsy or Amazon Marketplace, along with some creativity in sourcing materials affordably and optimizing product listings for increased visibility, selling handmade crafts or other goods you create from home becomes not only financially rewarding, but personally fulfilling as well. Remote tutoring, turning your knowledge into dollars. Remote tutoring teaching is a lucrative option for those with expertise in various subjects and a passion for educating. Platforms like VIPKid and Tutor.com offer opportunities to connect with students around the world, allowing you to teach from the comfort of your own home. One of the best aspects of remote tutoring is its flexibility. You can choose when and how often you want to take on sessions, fitting it seamlessly into your existing schedule. To get started as a remote tutor, most platforms require some form of qualifications or teaching experience. However, don't be discouraged if you don't hold a formal teaching degree. Many sites value real-world experience and knowledge as much as educational credentials. Additionally, consider obtaining relevant certifications or completing online courses related to the subjects you wish to teach. This will not only enhance your credibility but also increase your earning potential. When applying to become an online tutor, it's crucial to present yourself professionally. Craft an impressive profile that highlights your strengths, experience, and any accolades related to education or tutoring. Consider including testimonials or references from previous students if applicable. Success stories are always persuasive. Remember that competition can be fierce within these platforms, so putting effort into creating an outstanding application will greatly improve your chances of being accepted. Once approved by a platform, maximizing earnings requires strategic planning and optimization of available time slots. Consider targeting high-demand subjects or offering specialized services such as test preparation or language learning support. These tend to attract more students willing to pay premium rates. Overall, remote tutoring offers not just financial rewards, but also the satisfaction of making a positive impact on others' lives through education. So if you have skills worth sharing and enjoy helping others learn remotely in this digital age we live in, exploring the world of online tutoring might just be the perfect side hustle for you. Renting out space or belonging. Turn idle spaces and stuff into income streams. Renting out space or belongings has become an increasingly popular way to make money from home. One of the most well-known options is renting out a spare room through Airbnb or other similar platforms. This can be a lucrative endeavor, especially if you live in a desirable location or during peak tourist seasons. Many homeowners have been able to cover their mortgage payments by simply listing a vacant room on these platforms. But it's not just about renting out rooms. There are plenty of alternative options to explore as well. For example, if you have an unused parking space, you could rent it out to commuters in need of secure parking near their workplace. This can be particularly beneficial if you live in a busy city where parking is scarce and expensive. Additionally, consider whether you have any equipment or tools that others could benefit from renting. If you own specialized machinery or tools related to certain tasks, such as woodworking or gardening, there may be individuals who would prefer to rent them temporarily instead of purchasing them outright. By offering this service, not only will your unused belongings generate income for you, but it will also provide value and convenience for those who don't want the hassle of owning and maintaining such items. Overall, by thinking outside the box and exploring different avenues for renting out both space and belongings, you can find exciting opportunities to turn unused assets into profit-generating resources right from the comfort of your own home. Remember, making money from home requires determination and commitment. It may not always be easy, but with dedication and persistence, you can turn your side hustle into a profitable source of income. Now is the time to start exploring your options and take action. Don't let fear or uncertainty hold you back. Instead, embrace the potential that awaits you in the world of remote work. Whether it's finding clients through freelance platforms or launching your own website, there has never been a better time to embark on this journey. Making money from home allows you to take control of your financial future without sacrificing flexibility or freedom. So why wait? Start today by researching these 5 methods further, gathering all necessary information, and taking those first steps towards building your successful side hustle empire.